I'm Peter Dench and I'm co-founder of PhotoNorth Festival, and this is our 7th edition and we are in Leeds. At the heart of PhotoNorth is community, and people often talk about community, but we take it seriously. As soon as you walk in the door, we want to make you feel at ease, welcome, and nourished and inspired at the very least. And you don't even have to be into photography. You can be creative, curious, and this is the environment to be, to make connections and have conversations. There's over 100 metres of exhibitions from over 20 exhibiting artists. We run over 3 days, a programme of talks, screenings, a lively market stall area, a student competition. There's no ego, you're all welcome.